In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple Spotify-style logo in Figma. We'll be working from a clean canvas in Chrome using Figma, and this is a great beginner-friendly exercise because it helps you practice a few core tools very quickly. You'll use the ellipse tool to build the main shape, and then the pen tool to draw the signature curved lines that give the logo its recognizable look. To begin, open Chrome and go to figma.com. Once you're there, load a clean design file canvas so you have an empty workspace to build on. Starting with a blank file makes it easier to focus on the shape construction without distractions, and it also helps keep your layers organized from the beginning. Now that your canvas is ready, press O on your keyboard to activate the ellipse tool. With that tool selected, draw a perfect circle to act as the main container for the logo. If needed, take a moment to make sure the shape looks balanced and clean on the canvas, since this circle will serve as the background foundation for everything else you create. After that, change the fill color of the circle to the hex value number 1DB954, which is the familiar Spotify green. This instantly gives the design its branded visual identity and makes the circle stand out clearly against a plain workspace. Once the circle is in place, press P to switch to the pen tool. This is the tool you'll use to create the three curved horizontal lines inside the circle. Draw the first path as a smooth upward curving arc, then create a second arc below it, following a similar curve and keeping the spacing visually consistent. After that, draw a third arc underneath the others, again stacked neatly and curving upward in the same direction. The goal here is to create three clean vector path lines that feel evenly arranged and harmonious inside the circular container. As you draw, try to keep the arcs parallel in appearance so the final result feels polished and intentional. Smooth curves are especially important here because this style depends on simple geometry and clean alignment rather than lots of detail. If your first attempt looks slightly uneven, that's completely normal. Just refine the path placement until the three lines feel balanced within the green circle. And that's it. You've now built the essential Spotify style mark using just a circle, a branded fill color, and three curved vector paths in Figma.